Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an open AI API key, billing active, and a basic site repo. Once done, decide whether you want a client widget or a server proxy for security, because exposing keys on the browser is risky. Make sure to pick your stack: plain JavaScript or React for front-end, Node, JS or PHP for back-end, so you can install SDKs and plan routes. Then create a config file that will securely read the API key from environment variables. You now build the core. Implement a server endpoint, for example /API/chat, that authenticates requests and forwards prompts to the OpenAI API. Once done, code the front end to capture user input and call that endpoint. Make the UI responsive with loading states and incremental output if you stream responses. Make sure to include rate limit handling, exponential retries, and basic content filtering on the server so you protect users and control costs. This prevents sudden bill spikes and abuse. You finish by testing extensively. Check empty prompts, long messages, and heavy concurrent use so you can tune timeouts and token limits. Once done, deploy with environment variables, HTTPS, and proper CORS rules. Make sure the API key never reaches the browser. If things go wrong, inspect server logs and API error codes. Most issues are rate limits or key misconfiguration. Adjust quotas or rotate keys, and add logging around request/response for fast diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.